Hey guys, welcome to my channel Healthiness. Today I'm going to talk about why is warm-up necessary before a workout. Now first let's start by defining a warm-up. In my own words, a warm-up is a pre-workout routine that we follow in order to be able to better use our bodies as well as prevent injuries during the workout. Now why is warm-up important? It is important because of an effect that we call the staircase effect or the trap effect. Now if you want to know more about it, you can look it up on Google or anywhere, but to understand it you need to understand the physiology behind the muscle contractions. So on a basic level I will tell you what is this. So the trap effect is, after having a few contractions, a muscle contracts more easily than the first time, and this is the principle behind warm-up. So you can do this experiment on your own if you want to see the effect. Take any weight on your shoulder and do some squats without any preparations, and you'll see for the first 10 repetitions it will be a bit difficult, but after the 10 repetitions, if you take a little bit rest and you come back, you'll see the next 10 will be much more easier. Although you did perform 10 before and they were difficult, so the next 10 should have been more difficult because your body is already exhausted. But why did this happen? Why did they become easier? This is because of the trap effect or the staircase effect. This happened because your muscles were able to contract much more easily than the first time, and this helped in providing a higher force of contraction, a better quality of contraction, which led to more energy or more force. So how is it useful for us? If you are a sports person, this will help you improve your performance. You perform a good warm-up, you will see you are more efficient in doing your workout or anything for what you have performed your warm-up. If you do sports just for health, a warm-up will increase the number and the speed of benefits that you attain from one workout. So whatever your reason is, whatever kind of person you are, you must perform a warm-up for a better utilization of the body, more benefits and prevention of injuries. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, do comment below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Thank you.